Hello everyone and welcome to this skill pill where we'll discuss how to format dates in Talend. As a data engineer, you often work with a variety of data types. When it comes to date values, the format can vary depending on the use case or system requirements. Today, we'll walk through how to format a date field in Talend. For simplicity, let's assume you receive a CSV file with two columns and this will serve as your data source. You need to load this data into a target system, but before doing so, you are required to reformat the date, changing it from month, date, year to year, month, date. Instead of writing to a database, we'll use a tlog component to display the transformed data directly, making it easier to observe the changes. Okay, before diving into Talend's components, let's take a quick look at the Excel file. It contains two columns, order ID and order date, and a total of 30 rows. Our focus is on the order date column as we need to change its format to display the year first, followed by the month and day. Okay, so let's now come back to Talend and see which components we used in order to achieve this task. So first of all, we have the tfile input delimited component, and this one is used to read the data from the CSV source file. Double click on the component and fill in the following fields. First of all, we have the file name stream, and here you have to enter the full path to the CSV file, including the file name. Next, you have the field separator, and you have to enter a comma if the file is comma separated. The last thing you have to fill in is the header, and if the CSV file includes a header row, insert 1. Otherwise, leave it at 0. Next, we have tmap component, and we use this component to map input columns to output columns and to format the date column. In this case, we will use the parseDate and formatDate functions to transform the date format. Link tmap component to the tfile input delimited component using a main. Double-click on tmap to open it. Map input columns to output columns and click on the three dots next to the order date column. In the expression builder window, select the parseDate and formatDate functions. These functions can be found in the Talend Date categories. Click OK and then click Apply and OK to close the tmap. Lastly, we have the tlog component, and this component outputs the data, and we will be able to see how the output data looks like before inserting it into the target database. Link tlog component to tmap component using a main. Go to Basic Settings tab and select the table mode. This way, the output will be displayed in a table style. Make sure the columns are synchronized. Now, you can run the job. Open Run tab and click on Run. We are just waiting for a little bit and the output will be displayed in the console. Okay, so as you can see, now we have the order date column in the appropriate format. So we have the year, the month, and the day. Thank you for watching this skill pill, and if you have any additional questions, please let us know in the comments section.